Trying to find something that was said during a meeting, Fireflies AI lets you search your meeting transcripts in just a few seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search within a transcript, find past meetings, and quickly jump to the exact moment you need. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign in to your Fireflies AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Meetings tab from the left menu. Here you'll find all of your recorded meetings and uploaded transcripts. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see the global search bar. Type a keyword, phrase, meeting title, or another search term, then press Enter. Fireflies will search across your meeting transcripts and display matching meetings. You can also narrow the results using filters like host, participant, channel, or date. To search inside a specific meeting, open that meeting and locate the Search Transcript box. Enter the word or phrase you're looking for, then press Enter. Fireflies will highlight every matching result inside the transcript. Click any search result to jump directly to that point in the meeting recording. The playback will begin from the matching section, making it easy to hear the conversation in context. You know, this is much faster than scrolling through an entire transcript. If you're searching across many meetings, Fireflies also offers AI-powered search tools like Ask Fred to help you find topics, action items, updates, or answers from previous conversations. I mean, it's a great way to locate important information without reading every transcript. And that's how you search meeting transcripts in Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you find exactly what you were looking for. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.